how to manifest the impossible, even if it seems like there's no chance of you manifesting what you deeply desire. Maybe you've gone through a breakup or maybe a divorce, and it seems impossible that you'll be able to save your relationship. Maybe you're struggling with money and it seems impossible that you'll get your head above water. Maybe you have a health issue and that seems impossible. I don't care what the doctors say. Listen, you are co-creator of your reality. Nothing is impossible. As long as you're breathing, as long as you're alive, you have the power to manifest the life you desire. Hi, everyone. Robert Zink, your miracle mentor and alchemy success coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle, and we're always flying in the direction of your dreams and goals. High flyers want to remind you to claim your 30 minutes of miracle mentoring and alchemy success coaching. You know, the great Andrew Carnegie used to say, successful people make up their mind quickly and they change their mind slowly. So take inspired action now. Claim your free 30 minutes of miracle mentoring and alchemy success coaching. We've helped people in 60 different countries. I know we can help you too. The money you desire, the love you crave, the health and happiness you depend upon. Law of Attraction Solutions.com. So, high flyers, Neville Goddard says that imagination is one of the keys, the primary keys to manifesting. When you imagine, you create in the higher vibrational planes, what they call the mental plane, and it begins to matriculate down into the physical world. If you keep it there long enough, and if you believe it there, and you believe it in the physical world already. In other words, you create it here, but you believe it here. That's the key. Neville says it's important to imagine your desired reality as if it's already happened. That's the key. I like to use scripting, but some people just like to use their imagination. But whatever form you use, write it as if it's already happened, as if you've already experienced it. You know, give gratitude as if it's already happened. And that cements in the 3D the reality that you desire. Imagination is the gateway to creation. If you can imagine it, you can manifest it. Neville Goddard. Secondly, live in the end. Act as if your wish has already been fulfilled. You already have what you desire. And from a scientific perspective, you already do. What you're doing now is activating through imagination and through acting as if you're activating what is already in existence in the higher levels, the mental plane. You're bringing it down into the 3D. It's that simple. Act as if. Feel the emotions as if you already have it. I mean, get excited like, wow, I have my new car. I have the love of my life in my life. I have happiness. I have money. Whatever it is, act as if you have it, and you do. You do. Assume the feeling of the wish fulfilled and let that assumption harden into fact. Neville Goddard. Number 3, it's absolutely essential that you believe in your power to create, that you have the power to create the reality you desire, the life you want to live. Trust in your unlimited creative power to attract to you the love you desire, the money you desire, the happiness you deserve. Look, high flyers, your belief shapes your reality. So If your belief shapes your reality, why not believe in the reality that you desire? Neville says the following: you are the creator of your own reality. Your thoughts and feelings are the building blocks of your world. Well, number 4 is persistence. I mean, too many people give up 1 foot away from the gold mine. True story. Look it up yourself about a couple who dug for gold for 20 years and they gave up. They sold their property for $500. 1 foot later, 1 foot away, was all the gold, the mother lode, millions and millions and millions of dollars, but they gave up. Do not give up on your dreams. Look at, sometimes external circumstances will say, you better give up. The situation is hopeless. It's never going to happen. Don't give up. Keep going. Believe that you are manifester and that you are creating the life you desire. Don't wait for reality to change. Change your inner state and the outer world will follow. Well, number 5 is intense, personal knowingness, faith, and gratitude. Cultivate, as they say it all the time, it's kind of trite, but it's true, an attitude of gratitude. Some people say, should I do my minute of gratitude in the morning or the evening? And I say, be in a state of gratitude all day long. Cultivate gratitude. Believe and trust and know. Believe, trust, know that the universe is working to fulfill your desires. That your vibration, your creative vibration, is strong enough so that the universe is sending out a powerful message, an incredible message, that you are manifesting exactly what you desire. And be grateful for it. Feel that gratitude all the time. Because the gratitude shifts your vibration and it raises your vibration and it makes manifesting, it makes it so much easier. It really does. Live in a state of gratitude, knowing that the wish is already fulfilled and you will attract what you desire. Now, these are core teachings of Neville Goddard on how to manifest the impossible. It's not impossible. That word does not belong in our vocabulary. If you'll follow these teachings, write them down, go through the video again, write down the 5 points, you will change your life. It's that simple. And you'll begin having victory after victory after victory of manifestation. Things will just start happening for you easier with less effort. And I mean that. Okay, high flyers, listen to me now. I desire for you to be rich. I desire for you to be wealthy. That's one of my intentions that I made at the beginning of the year. My goal is to help several people become millionaires during this coming year. And I created a meditation. It's coming up next that will help you get there. It's called I Am Wealthy. And I believe you are.